higher grounds if you're always pushing others down, by Jeffrey Benjamin.
This quote reminds us that true success and growth comes from lifting up others, not tearing them down. And when we all support each other, we all rise together and no one is left behind.
Making mistakes is a part of learning. What matters is that you gave it your best. Don't let a tough word get you down.
Bullying hurts and it can deeply affect someone's life, but we can stop it by showing kindness, respect, and support each other.
Let's all be the change that we want to see. Remember, bully-free school starts with each one of us.